Okay, guys, back at the shop. This is going to be a quick intro because I got to get that stuff moved out so we can move that air compressor in there. My boss is not too far away and he offered to give me a hand. So I got to get this stuff moved so we can hopefully get the air compressor placed in there. Got some exciting stuff coming tomorrow in the mail from Amazon. I hate Amazon, but hey, it's fast and easy. So yeah, we're going to try to get this done tonight. So let's see what happens.
You can do it!
The stranger is wise and strong.
Okay, behind me on the welding bench or table is Nana's railing, and not much happened with that today, but we did have big things here in the shop. 80-gallon DeWalt air compressor has made its way to its new home. So that was thanks to my boss, Craig, and a little brute strength, but we got it back here. And the goal is I got some goodies being delivered tomorrow, but Saturday, I'm going to spend the whole day down here at the shop and try to get that air compressor going so we can do all the finish work on Nana's railing. So special thanks to Slater Cabinets and More, Craig Slater. If you need cabinets in Southeast Missouri, give him a call. Otherwise, check back in. We're going to get back on this railing soon. Thanks for watching.